Our children can be our greatest teachers if we are humble enough to receive their lessons. Once again, welcome back to Dr. Momibi. We have only few days left in our vacation. So this video is about a couple of days before we fly back to Dubai. I have not yet seen my sister because she was busy with her final exams and finally she is here for one day. Within this busy schedule, she just came for one day to celebrate Nainu's birthday. Yes, her birthday is on February 14th, that is on Valentine's Day. As usual, she was really excited about her birthday and I don't want to make her sad. So we decided to celebrate within our limits even though the corona restrictions was there. I have not yet seen any of my uncles or aunts because of this corona, and traveling with a newborn is really risky. So for the breakfast, I asked my mom to prepare tapioca or kappa. I was really missing my mom's preparation back there. To have along with this, we have prepared some beef dry fry and beef curry. Since we are staying in our farmhouse, the upper party hall was the convenient place for birthday party. Due to the wind, it was very difficult, but we somehow managed to fix it. Before coming Kerala, we have planned many trips, shoppings and eat outs, but everything was cancelled due to this corona and just we got one day to spend with her. Looking at her, my sweet little child, you are an amazing person. Every single day since you were born, you added something amazing to my life and you made me a mom. The best way to make children good is to make them happy. My goal is to make my kids as happy as possible. We had a great time with my cousin sisters and family who came for this party. Happy birthday to my sweetie pie. Let all your dreams come true. On the very next day, father was having a get-together party at home with his 10th class friends. That ends my vacation here and I'm back to my husband's house. If you have watched my previous Kerala vlogs, you would be familiar with this. Yes, this is Kodi Vada, Nainu's favorite dish. And last year she was watching this, and this year she had also made few of them. For every vacation, my mom-in-law prepared this mix and I help her for making this. So these are Nainu's cute Kodi Vadas. Half of the packing was done from my home, so only few things were to pack. It's very hard to say bye to him. We will miss him for sure for months and months. We love him. I'm packing all my plants from the propagating station to a container and I'm soaking a wet tissue at the roots of the plants and I will be taking as such. My mom and dad accompanied me for dropping in the airport. This is sugarcane juice. It was really fresh and tasty. I was traveling with my uncle back to Al-Ain. Finally, after following all the COVID protocols, we reached Al-Ain. After reaching home, after the babies were settled down, the first thing was to keep the plants safe. As you can see, it was still fresh. So I managed to plant them all, water them and keep it in a proper place. I have brought a lot of curry leaves, so I am keeping it in 2 boxes to keep it fresh for at least 1 or 2 months. That's my new omelette cast iron pan, so just seasoning it with some of the onions. These are baby foods for Nora. This is dried plantain. These are organic and homemade. My mom made this when she got good plantains from our yard. There are 2 varieties, so I am grinding the grade 1 first. I am not making it very powdery because kids get bored if it is too watery, so leaving little bit of grains in it. Again, that's organic tamarind from my yard. These are fresh bird's eye chilies, and I also brought pickled ones without water, and from here I am going to add some water and salt, warm water and salt along with some vinegar. So I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you like it.